Bro, it's literally about. The flood stops up
Oh,
here.
but guys, I have bad luck. We have bad luck. We go towards that way, not that way.
But then you have to go to the main road that's flooded.
Oh.
And bro, the power plant is literally flooded.
Where's the power plant?
Bro, that green grass, all that is the power plant.
It's good the power plant. No, the power plant survived.
Wait.
Yeah, it did. Behind the fence, it's the power plant.
Sorry, you can't. You can't run from there.
What is that? What is that? See that in the order?
Bro, is that a guy?
No, that's a stick.
Bro, I see the head turn.
I see a head.
I see that.
No, that's also it. Oh God. Oh God.
That looks so much like a guy.
It is a skinny guy, right?
Yeah, it looks like a stick man.
Oh, good.
Like, look what happened to that Jeep. And that green car looks like a small boat. Flipped upside down.
You see like a little dolphin. You see that?
Yeah, that green one.
Yeah.
Look, a box. Like a milk carton. A milk carton. Like the only thing that survived is a milk carton. But everything died. The tree is almost covered. Yeah, like
There's
look at that
so
tree.
much water.
Oh my God! And look at that tree. Look
Yeah.
at your tree. It's like.
Yeah, look at that tree.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, thanks
We're
for
lucky 'cause
watching
it's a
this
flood.
video. Please
No,
subscribe.
no.
Goodbye.